Maghabol ng train. Ganito pa yung life dito sa Japan. Ay, di na ako nakapang-video kasi nga kapagod mga lost person. Kakahabol ng train. Kapagod.
約束だよいつかまた同じ笑顔で
For today's video, we are going to Tokyo, Japan, and I'm so very excited. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as I bring you to Tokyo with me. Yes! Ayan, kakarating ko lang sa Japan. Supposed to be evening yung dating ko, kaso na-delayed ang flight ko for 12 hours. And of course, kikwento ko yan sa different na vlog kung ano yung nangyari. So after neto ay punta na ako sa hotel, nag-iwan ng luggage at nagpihis na.
We are going to... Hindi mabalik ta. Kami naliligaw na sa paglilibat sa station.
Kasama ko ang first cousin ko na nagbakasyon din from US. So dito na kami nagkita sa Japan.
Wow. Mga lost boy. Lost boy na Japan. Yan. Finally, we're here at Daiba Station, number 7. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa Gundam. Gundam, right? Yes, we are going to Gundam factory. And we've heard na magko-close na siya. So, it's nice na nakaabot kami. Ang lamig! Dirigoro. Yan. I think it's over there. Yeah. Fresh flowers. Time check, it's 1 p.m. And we're going under sa mall. Is it a mall? Dito dapat yo. Always remember to keep left. In the Philippines, you keep right. Pero here, you keep left.
Kumain muna kami ng lunch sa food court ng mall. Excited ako kasi this will be my first time to eat ramen sa Japan mismo.
We're going to order. Kainchindi ka?
Google Translate.
Google Translate.
Sige na.
Anong orderin? Hindi tayo marunong mag-translate.
Better. What is this one?
This Chera,
This cake.
kiss me.
It's ramen? Oh, kids meal. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Itadakimasu! This is my first ramen in Tokyo, Japan. And we will gonna try this one because I'm a ramen lover. Oh, main nyo na ni akong cousin. Main nyo na palihog. Strawberry. Kapikid. Ito napapala mo kapag nagsabay yung mga dalawang walang sense of direction. Yan. So nawala kami. Actually punta kami ng Gundam. Yung Gundam factory. Pero yung napunta namin is Gundam showroom. So ngayon, we have to rush. And dapat makasakay kami ng 2:30 by train para punta kami ng Yokohama, and that's an hour away from here. Wish us luck! Grabe, nakakapagod maghabol ng train. Ganito pa yung life dito sa Japan. hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi nga kapagod mga lost person. Kakahabol ng train. Kapagod. Finally. We're running fast. Finally. Finally, we're out of the subway. And we are on our way to Gundam Factory for the viewing. And ngayon ay 3:50 na. And then yung viewing schedule namin is at 3:55. So nakaabot tayo. Good job! Pulang-pula na yung ilong ko sa lamig. Kikita na namin ng entrance. That's the entrance. Woo! Yes! We made it! Ginusto mo to, di ba? Ginusto mo to. Yan.
On time lahat sa Japan, kaya bawal ma-miss yung time. Kasi magsa-start talaga sila kahit wala ka. Sinadya din talaga namin ang Gundam Factory sa Yokohama kasi ay magsasara na ito by March 31, 2024.
の観光が全関節で完了すれば応答性も倍以上になるからです。
F00 の性能を完璧に引き出せるかどうかはパイロットに
機体性能ばっかりアップしたってこっちはニューライフじゃないんだから限度ってもんだ。こちらガンダム。
My snow! It's my first time mag-snow! Grabe. Gapalang mula ako suntog na oh. Namumula ako sa ginaw oh. Grabe. Look at my eyeglasses. Ultraviolet rays here is very high. That's why super dark siya. Red. And I can't feel my ears anymore. It's so cold here.